is an example of how we're going to put graphics with that random game. Let me go up here. Let's see. Let me delete these lines. Finish this. Well, or get it to just to show you what's going on with it. Let's see. Okay. So I'll just add a few more graphics to this picture. I'll use these cursor keys. They're different than on the 64 and even the 128. But after a while, we'll get used to them. Let's see. Stick with the two-tone. Color combination. So I'm going to show basically how to get colors and the graphics, and you're going to save them to disk so we can load them back in to our basic game later. This is just one of the screens. I'm sorry I'm showing the whole thing. I hate editing. I guess that's why my channel's not very popular, because I just record it and upload it to the YouTube. So I'm not really worried about editing. Let me see, green. Anyway, okay, so go to monitor. Okay, delete this. Now I'm going to save the whole thing. Whoa. The escape key was down. Let's see. The first line there. Okay, so what that's going to do is it's going to save a file named robot to device A, which is the disk drive, and hexadecimal location 0800 to 0FE8. That's going to save the entire color memory map and the character map text, or the graphics we got on the screen there. It's going to take it a minute. Well, no, not a minute, but see, it's already done. Okay, now I'm back in basic. I was in the machine language monitor just then. Got nothing in memory, right? Now watch this. We'll go back to the monitor. Type load robot 8, and there it is. Okay, so the next episode I'm going to show how to load those back in within the basic game we're writing. Okay, thanks for watching. It's Scotty Animation. If you like this channel, subscribe. If you like the videos, give them a like, and I will talk to you later.